Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we had a quick introduction to Python with a MySQL database. In this lecture, we will learn how to connect Python to a MySQL database step by step. Once this connection is ready, we can send SQL queries like inserting records, creating tables, reading data, all using Python code. But before we write the code, we need to make sure the MySQL connector or driver library is installed. Let's begin step by step. We'll be using a library called mysql-connector-python. This is the official library that allows Python to talk to MySQL. Let's open the terminal inside PyCharm and type the following command: pip install mysql-connector-python. Hit enter. Wait for the library to be fully installed. Once done, it should say successfully installed mysql-connector-python. That means you are ready to go. If you face any issues, make sure that you use the latest Python version. Older versions might not support this package. Now let's write the code to test the connection. Before that, let's first create a database that our Python program needs to connect. Open the command prompt. Here, let's type the command mysql followed by -u followed by username root and then -p. Hit enter. It will ask for a password. So enter the password you used during installation. So here I enter the password and hit enter. Now we have connected to MySQL server. Next, let's create a database. Type the command create database followed by database name test_database. Perfect. Now we have created the database. Next, let's write the Python code that connects to this test_database. Let's go to PyCharm. Let's create a new directory and give it the name mysql. Let's create a new Python file. Right click on MySQL folder, choose new and select Python file. Let's name it connect_mysql_test. Inside this file, we will now type the connection code step by step and I'll explain every part. Start by typing import mysql.connector. This imports the connector package we just installed. Next, let's define the connection. We'll use the connect function and pass in our database connection details. Type the following: connection equals mysql.connector.connect, and inside the parentheses, we pass our connection settings using named arguments. Let's type host equals within double quotes localhost at user equals within double quotes root. Password equals within double quotes the password you used during installation. Make sure to enter the correct username and password as per your MySQL database installation. Next, database equals within double quotes test_database. This is the database that we created using command prompt. Now let's check if this connection worked. Type if keyword followed by connection object dot, call the is_connected method and then open and close parentheses colon. Inside that if block, let's print connection to MySQL was successful. Finally, we can also close the connection using connection dot close open and close parentheses. This is a good habit to follow. Always close the connection when you are done. Next, let's run the program and see the output. If everything is correct, you should see this output: connection to MySQL was successful. If you get an error, double check your username, password or database name. Also make sure MySQL server is running in the background. Now, we have successfully established the connection between Python and MySQL database. Let's wrap. So in this lecture, we learned how to connect a Python program to a MySQL database. We installed the required connector package using pip. We used mysql.connector.connect to establish the connection. And we printed a message to confirm that everything works. This connection is the foundation for all the upcoming lectures where we'll create tables, insert records, fetch data, update values, and more. So make sure this program runs correctly before you move forward. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.